Alright, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So above board. Above board. As in like a table or a board, a plank of wood. When things are done legally and following the rules, yeah. Above board. When things are done the right and correct way. Yeah. Everything I do is above board. Everything I do is above board. His business is above board. Yeah. Nothing is hidden. Oh, hidden. So we could then say, it is all above board. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. Everything is above board. Yeah. Didn't you say this was above board? I thought all this action was above board. I thought everything was above board. I thought it was. Maybe, maybe not. When did you start being above board? Since when did you do things above board? Since when did you do things? Since when did you do things above board? You've always broken some rules, but now you're following them. You used to break the rules, but now you're above board and following the rules. Yeah, what's the difference? Yeah, like here, judgment. Doing the right thing or not. When you do the right thing, then everything you do is above board. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I'm building my business above board. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, we follow the rules. Exactly, yeah. So above board now. Can you use above board in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can find me by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.